you struggle in social engagements and can't seem to get people to like you, then you are in the right place. My name is Greta. I'm a mindset and business coach, and for the awesome life and business advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video every week. If you ever have problems in social environments where you feel that people are avoidant of you, or you feel unwelcomed or unliked, then this video is for you, as I will share with you 3 tips that will get anyone to like you. Tip 1. Be positive, happy, upbeat. If you're putting yourself out there, if you want to be in the limelight, well, then you have to have the magnetism and high energy about you. And what is magnetic is a happy, positive, welcoming, and confident personality. Guys, please watch my video why confidence is really important, which you can find just by following the link right here, and I will also drop it down in the video description. Tip 2. Ask questions. When you are making the conversation, ask open questions and let people talk about themselves. Listen actively. Be genuinely interested in what we have to say. That way the other person feels important. Feeling important is one of the most important people's needs. So if you are making someone feel important, they will be bound to like you. And by the way, ladies who are watching, this is not a dating advice. Please don't start chatting up guys the way I just described. If you have a romantic interest in them, if you are thinking, oh, why not? Please check out my relationship advice channel for women, which you can find just by following the link right here. And in there you will find all your answers. Why not? Tip 3. The more you give, the more you receive. For this, I will actually use my VIP High Value Woman group example. My paid VIP relationship coaching group has over 60 members. Well, just because it's so good, so I'm, putting it out there. So what happens in my VIP, the ladies are very engaging. We are very supportive towards each other. There's a lot of live streamings happening where we share their stories and so on. Anyway, I want to share a complaint that I sometimes experience about the group, and here is what it is. Greta, I'm a new member. I posted a question on a wall and I only got 1 comment from the girls. Or, Greta, I shared my whole story on a wall, like long essay, and no one gave me advice. Now guys, please pause the video and in the comments below say, why do you think this is happening? Now turn it back on, and this is the real truth. Why did no one reply? Because nobody cares, nobody gives a why, but how. I actually remember one member said to me, Greta, I think you need to introduce every new member and help them integrate in your group. Because I posted on a wall a couple of times and not many girls replied to me. And I replied to that person saying, no, I don't. Why? First, because it's not a kindergarten. We are all adults, we are all mature women. I don't need to hold your hand and introduce you to other kids. Second, you cannot make other people to talk to you or to like you by force. So, what do? Ladies, if you want people to like you and want to get to know you and interact with you, first you must give. When you are a member in a new environment, give first. Watch people's lives, make comments, answer questions posted on a wall. Make people think, oh, who's that girl who helped me out? Oh, look, she's so nice. Oh, she's so nice. She helped me again. I wonder what's her story. Now I'm intrigued about her. I want to find out more. Ladies, and this is how people will be asking for you to share your story and be more than interested to help back. Because, guys, if you want people to like them, first it's about them, then it's about you. Ladies, look at men. All the guys who use this strategy eventually get the girls, even if the girl was not interested in the guy at first. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in joining my VIP, it's not just social support that you do get. We also have coaches answering your questions directly 3 times per week during the coaching lives. And also you get my best texting video in there totally free. Therefore, if you do not have time to engage and make an effort to bond, there are lots of other goodies that you can benefit from. And if you want to join my Queen Kingdom VIP, I will put the link down in the description box. So now you know how to get people to like you, but do you know how to have the confidence to approach? And for this, I have a great video which is called How to Believe in Yourself, which you can find just by following the link right here, and I will also drop it down in the description box. And if you would like to join my secret like-minded people high value society, you can do that by following the link down in the description box to my Facebook group. If you like this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Have a beautiful day. Kisses from London. Mwah.